Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Hydration of aldehydes in aqueous acid, gemdiol, hydrate, formation. Moving on to the next step. Identify the starting material. The substrate is pH to CH, CHO, diphenylacetaldehyde, an aldehyde with a diphenylmethane group alpha to the carbonyl. Moving on to the next step. Understand the reaction. In aqueous acid, aldehydes can form gemdiols, aldehyde hydrates, via nucleophilic addition of water to the carbonyl carbon. The reaction is IChO plus H2ORCH, or 2. And for the final step, apply to substrate. pH to CH, CHO plus H2O pH to CH, CH, or 2. This is a geminal diol where the former aldehyde carbon now bears 2 OH groups. Match two options. Option C shows pH to CH, CH, or, which is the geminal diol pH to CH, CH, or 2. This matches exactly. Why this product forms in 81% yield. The electron-donating pH to CH group somewhat destabilizes the cationic transition state, but the reaction still produces the hydrate as the dominant product, 81%. The minor products, enol, 2%, and aldehyde, 17%, likely from Cannizzaro or tautomer pathways, are present in smaller amounts. Eliminate other options. A. pH, C, pH, is equal to CH, O is an enol ether or vinyl oxide, not the major product. B. pH to CH, CH2O is the reduced alcohol, would require hydride reduction, not simple aqueous acid. D. pH to CH, CH3 is a ketone rearrangement product, not consistent with major pathway. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.